Day 7, putting on my own socks. My wife went to work, so I am on my own until she gets back. So I'm going to try and put on my socks so I can go walk around. And I gotta try and get this on this thing. See, this is the problem with these slings. It's so big, I can't even really operate my hand because this got tension on it, keeping it closed. So there's some difficulty in doing this and mobility. So I'm gonna try and see if I can't hook this on there. Come on. Oh shit. Oh, come on. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. This is a thing for socks, to pull on your socks by yourself. I also have I don't know if you saw my last video about my Fusion L-4, L5 permanent damage on my left leg. Oh, and this thing back here is grippy, so it's hard to like pull on. But I mean, it's easy to get your sock on once you get it on. If you had two hands. This is from my back surgery. Okay. You want to get it on straight. It's crooked because then it'll go on your foot crooked. So you want to make sure it goes on straight. It's still crooked. Damn it. Okay. It's looking like it's... You want the heel in the back. Okay. This thing just... It's so grippy in the back side of it. Maybe that'll help. Okay, so the sock goes on this thing. Now it's got two handles, but obviously it was for my back, and it's not for... So you're gonna put it down. Let's see, how am I gonna put this on? Okay, so now let's do it the other way. So put my foot in it, and there, got my sock on. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see, it's on crooked. So you gotta make sure that that's on straight. All right, I made some adjustments. I got one on, and now I'm gonna try and get the other one on. And like I said, you wanna make sure and get it on straight, because then it goes on your foot crooked if it's not straight. So I just wanted to show you how you can get dressed on your own after surgery. Either, you know, I had this L-4, L5 Fusion. I used this, so now I'm using it again because I need to get socks on. I want to go walk around in my yard. My wife's already gone to work. So you gotta get this on, and you want to try and get it on as straight as you can, because if not, your foot will go in and it'll go on crooked. Or I know it's just a sock, but I got OCD, and everything has got to be straight. You should see my closet. It's all color coordinated. All my t-shirts and everything hung color coordinated from light to dark. So yeah, I got a problem. Okay, this black thing here is like grippy, which is what, I don't know, helps hold the sock. So you want to make sure you put it on and make sure the heel is to the back, nice and straight, and pull it on. And see that thing that's so grippy, it won't let you slide the damn sock on. So okay, see, it's crooked. It's hard to get on straight. Okay, maybe that'll work. Put it on. Make sure the heel is to the back, straight to the back. Okay, let's try this again. This one's on crooked, this one's on straight now. And then what you do is you just put your foot in. Oh, make sure your foot goes in straight. Damn. And you slide your sock on. There, that's a lot better than the other one. But they're just socks, and I gotta try and let it go. And then try and straighten out your cuff there. And that's how you get your socks on. Well, it's still crooked. The heel's not right. I'm sorry, I just have OCD, and if it's not on straight, then I feel it in my shoe. It bothers my feet. I got neuropathy, tarsal tunnel in both feet, nerve damage in my leg. I thought I'd show you how I do. I just wear light clothes. This is an adaptive shirt. You probably saw it in my last video, or did I take a shower then? I just take a shower, you know, and just put on new adaptive clothing, and wear it for another two days, and take another shower, and 2 days. So every 2 days I'm taking a shower. I'm gonna go get a haircut today. I need a haircut bad. Gonna be the first time out and about. We'll see how the ride goes in the car. Shouldn't be too bad. I mean, I rode home, but I was numb at the same time, so I don't know. I really don't remember the ride home, but it was okay. So today I'm going to find out how the roads are, how busy it is. I'm not driving. I can't, so I have my stepson who's going to take me, and we're going to get out and about today. I'll let you know how it goes. It shouldn't be that bad, but yeah.